let's go shoot some cannons. Will his defense protect his new yacht from 100 cannonballs, or will we start this video over with a new contestant? Phase 1 of 4 has begun.
I'm nervous.
All right, Sean, we're about to fire the cannons at your new yacht.
Terrifying.
Aim the cannon! Fire! Kept firing cannon after cannon, ripping through Sean's defense.
These cannons are way more hardcore than I thought they were.
Go see this thing. Somehow,
God, I hope my yacht isn't shredded.
Sean's yacht actually survived.